Good morning, everyone. My name is Shubh Sharma, and let's start with our pre-market analysis. Now, let's start with US market and geopolitical situations. So, before we jump into the numbers, the US market and our market, let's discuss the big elephant in the room, which is the Brent crude, which is now at $102 per barrel. Now, however, SGX Nifty is showing a very flat opening. Well, the reason behind this is because the very positive news coming from Trump and from geopolitical scenario. Trump has said that the war may end very soon. This has been like the 10th time he has said these things, and after that we have seen what has happened. So during our market also, if you look at close to 2 to 230 from Axis, the American news report company, they reported that soon the US and Iran are very close, and very soon they will sign the agreement, and it's a one page or two page agreement. And look at, after the news came out, look at our market. Our market lost whatever it has lost in intraday. It recovered everything. Well, it will come in our market in very few minutes. But if you look at Dow Jones closed at 612 points positive, Nasdaq closed at 584 points positive, and S&P 500 closed at 105 points positive. Now, but still, if you look at FII and DII data, right now, FII, despite of having very good momentum yesterday in our market, the FII, they have sold close to 5,800 crores. DII, they have bought close to 6,800 crores. So whatever buying was there was clearly from DII, sorry. And if you look at Brent crude now is at $102 per barrel. Well, there is nothing clear, confirmation is coming from Iran side. It's only from USA side. So we have to watch very closely what Iran will say. Iran is currently in China doing China tour, and Trump has to visit China next week or next week something. So there is no official statement coming from Iran. The official statement only has came from USA. So we have to look that both the countries should come and agree on something. That is not at all happening. Whatever Epic Fury, the America has said that they have completely postponed it. They have stopped the Epic Fury mission. They have not yet focusing on Epic Fury. These all think positivity sentiment came, and I don't know why they are saying these things. What is the reason? I think USA is saying that we are very close to sign a deal, but there's no confirmations coming from Iran. All these things are leading that there is still uncertainty in our market. That is why SGX Nifty is showing very flat opening. Now, but if you look at Asian market, right? Asian markets, Nikkei is up by 4%. Nikkei is up by 3,066 points. Imagine if that will happen on Nifty, right? Very impressive. But 3,000 points on Nifty will looks very not possible. Taiwan is up by 779 points. So Nikkei, Taiwan, Hang Seng, everything is trading positive after all this positive development came between the Iran and USA. Now let's talk about our market. Yesterday, despite we opened close to 130, 160 points gap up, intraday till first half we saw a brutal profit booking, right? Nifty lost all its gain, but levels close to 24,000, Nifty took a support and it gave a staggering 2 to 300 points move, and it closed about 24,300. So Nifty spot closing about 24,300 is very good for our market. Now the support is obviously where it took support in yesterday market, which was around 24,000, and the resistance now will become 24,500. Similarly on Bank Nifty, the support will become 55,500 and the resistance now will become 56,500. So Nifty and Bank Nifty both looks very strong. However, we have to focus on results also. So today is 7th, we don't have any results, but tomorrow we do have results. So tomorrow SBI, Titan and Tata Consumer, from Nifty 50 stocks, the results are coming out. So we have to watch it, especially we have to look SBI, expecting very good results from SBI. So let's see what will be the development. But Nifty, however, looks very strong at current market price. And yesterday I was telling you that 23,800, 23,900 will be a very strong support, and these are the zones where you should accumulate and keep a stop loss just below 23,800 on closing basis. Yesterday I was telling you these things, right? So look at market gave a chance to add close to 24,000, not exactly at 23,900 but 24,000. But don't worry, I also don't have any positions. Yesterday I didn't took any trade, I didn't took any positions whatsoever. I'm still having zero positions at all, no positions at all. So this is my stance. I wait for any pullback close to 24,200, 24,100 will be opportunity to enter in this market. So this is my view, this is my stance. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned a lot. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.